Hello YouTubers, these are my clothing racks. I've had them for many years. Cheaply made, lightweight, they get the job done. I love them. However, they do break and come apart occasionally and they need to be repaired where the brackets come out. So this was the first repair I did. I just used a copper washer and a screw. No glue or anything. The hardest part was just getting them in straight. But they seem to work great. This repair I probably did about 8 years ago. Works pretty nicely. Holds it together. Just like that. And then my other lovely rack came apart too. This one was pretty fun. I think this was a way easier fix. Found this just sitting around. This plastic straw is the exact diameter. So all I did was just insert it. Absolutely no glue. So you can see how it'll move a little bit, but this repair has lasted probably 3-4 years with weekly use. I wish I would have made it a little bit longer. So see how it just goes through like that? So yeah, just a plastic straw, and I've gotten a few more uses out of it. Today I just did, this piece broke here. So it just stays in like that, but usually it's a little bit tighter and haven't had too many issues, but super easy fix. Love these racks. Gonna get another 20 years out of them. So there's a few ideas for you. Thanks for watching.